Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, beautiful no makeup look without any foundation, and it is sweat proof. Even though if you sweat a little bit, this makeup doesn't gonna melt down because we are using a lot of powder and a setting spray, so it will not melt on you guys. So and also you can see my skin, you can see my before skin also, you guys. When this video starts, it has become a huge change. So yes guys, without a further ado, let's get to the video. First you have to do your CTM procedure, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I've done that. Now you have to prime your skin. It is just left to you guys that you have to use a primer or not. Today my skin is feeling really very dull, and it is little bit dry, and I have acne also. I don't know what is going on with my skin. So as I'm feeling dry today, I'm using this Nelps hydrating primer. I'll just use little bit. I'll try to use more on the skin where I have little bit drier, where I'm feeling little bit drier. That's where I'll use. So guys, as I have active acne in my face, I'll be using green color corrector. This is from NY Bay. So I'll just use that. Take this in my concealer brush. This is really very small concealer brush. Just apply it and just dab it with my finger itself. It pains a little bit. So basically this pimple was little bit larger, so I'll just apply it and dab it with my brush only. Now I'll be using this Insight concealer palette, and I'll be using the orange color corrector, as my under eyes is really visible today, so I'll just use that. Now I'll be using this color, and I'll just mix a little bit of this dark color, and that will suit my eyes, my under eyes. So choose the color which suits your skin. Choose a concealer which suits your skin. I have one more concealer which is little bit lighter to my skin. Now my skin is looking darker today, that's why it looks little bit lighter. You can see it is little bit lighter to my skin, so I'm not using this today. So I'll just use the Insight concealer. You can see even when you just choose the lighter skincare, it looks really very grayish, which actually looks bad. Taking more of this and really very little bit of this, and just apply it. Both sides. Just try to blend this all over your face. First blend it your eyes and just come down like that only. So wherever you have color corrected, you guys, there you can just do this technique, and with whatever is left, you can just take it down all over your face. Okay, just apply it. I'm just using this brush to apply the product basically. So I'll just apply it and later let me just blend it. So whatever the leftover is there in the brush, I'll just apply all over. Guys, to make sure everything comes in a place, I'm using damp beauty sponge and I'll just blend everything evenly. And whatever the leftover is there, I'll just apply it on my lids. So you can see guys, there's no pimple marks, nothing. I mean, like, there's no pimple marks, there's no redness in my face. I just covered it with a little bit of concealer, that's all. At this point you can also contour your face. I'm not contouring. If you want, you can just contour. I'll just directly go with the loose powder. Guys, try to use loose powder for your summer look. You know, compact is basically like a foundation only, powder foundation, so you know it might become cakey even more. So try to use loose powders, so that will suit you the best. First I'll just use it to my under eyes. I'll set nicely. Later I'll just set wherever I have applied color correctors. I'll just apply there, and whatever the leftover is there, I'm not taking any products. So whatever the leftover is there, I'll just go all over my face. Okay, you have to really nicely just set your face with a powder. Blush, I'm using Maybelline's Color Show blush. This is in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. This is really a good color brush. You know, this suits for summer, so I have just choose this. My eyebrows, you guys, I'm using Sugar's Arch Brow Definer. This is in the shade 04. I'll just do very light brows. I'll just fill my brows, that's all. I don't shape it or anything. So now you guys, you can just leave your eyes like that only. Just apply mascara and just leave it. I seriously don't like to leave my eyes like that only. I'm using this Maybelline's nude palette, and I'll be just taking this color over here. I'll just take that in my ring finger. I'll just apply all over my eyes. And just to give little bit of depth, I'm using this golden color. I'll just use it in the middle of my eyelids. Anyway, Maybelline palette is not that pigmented, you guys. You'll not get to know that you have used eyeshadow prominently. It will give you that no makeup look. I'll just finish my eyes by using mascara. I'm using this Faces Canada Magnetized Mascara. For highlighter, you guys, I'm using Sugar's this Force Highlighter Palette in 01 Glow Genius. I'll be just mixing these two, and you can see the natural glow. The Sugar highlighters are really good, you guys. You have to give it a try. For my lips, you guys, I'm not using any lip liners. I'll just use my favorite nude lipstick. This is actually High Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade 18 Swinger. This is really a beautiful shade. Before it dries, I'll just take a tissue. I'll just take all the excess out. So last, you guys, I'm using a makeup fixer. This is Blue Heaven's makeup fixer. So guys, I'll just leave this to dry and I'll be back.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please give a like to this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press that bell icon button next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, please do share this video as much as you can possible. Bye bye.